Hi everyone, today we are going to do this. Okay, let's get started. So open a new project, and in this new project what we are going to do is to add a rectangle. You can use the shortcut value R. Then we smooth the borders and remove the outline. Then we are going to add some shadows. So we increase the black to make it become more visible. After that, what we are going to do is select our card and adjust it. So the card right now is in the middle. This will be our first card. Then we need to create a copy of this and move it to the right side. After that, create another copy and move it to the other side. Good. Now that we have created this, what we are going to do right now is to add some images. You can import from your PC, or as I did here is from a plugin. I choose those landscape images that what we want to create is a page that we can scroll through them and see what we want. We create 3 frames of this. In each frame, we have to shrink the main card to the side and the other to main. In prototype, we are going to link them with drag. So when the user drag the card, so remember to drag the link from the card and not from the entire frame. Okay, so if I put it down should look better, because before, as you see, moving out from the frame, it put the card on the first frame. Now what we want to show on the second frame is that we want to show is if the user drag the card to one direction, we want to increase the size of the side card. So we increase the size to the same size of the main. After that, we drag it to the middle of the frame, and we shrink the card that should be dragged out and reduce the size to the same of the left one, and we situate it in the right point. Okay, now that we did with the second frame, we are going to do with the same thing with the third frame, but this time we are going to move to the another direction. So before we move everything to left, in the last frame we are going to do is to move everything to right. let's try connect the main friend also to this one. Let's check this. Okay, so from frame 1 to frame 2 we are using drag with auto animate, but from the card it's only possible to choose one trigger, so we have to choose the small one instead of the main. Now we drag it out, but first we have to resize it to the smaller one, so we use it as reference point and we drag in the outer, the left one card, so we drag it to the main in order to copy the size. Okay, now we drag it back and adjust just a little and change the size and change the position. Cool. Now that we have this done, we'll check how to connect them all. So from the third frame, we connect to the second one, to the main one, and from the main one to the last one. And from the last one, we also want to come back. Now let's see the result, and that is all. Thank you for watching.